At the eagerly awaited Galaxy Unpacked event held in San Jose, California, Samsung revealed its newest flagship smartphones, the Galaxy S24 series. This includes the Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and the high-performance S24 Ultra. The S24 Ultra stands out with its impressive feature. The S24 Plus and S24 share similar attributes, but come with different specifications to cater to various preferences and budgets. Samsung introduced the innovative Galaxy AI, promising to enhance communication capabilities on the new phones. Here is everything Samsung announced during its Galaxy Unpacked event. Talking about the Galaxy S24, the phone is a more compact and cost-effective alternative that features a 6.2-inch FHD Plus dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. It shares the Vision Booster feature with its Ultra sibling. The smartphone features a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera, and a 12-megapixel front-facing camera. The Galaxy S24 comes in 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB storage configurations, all with 8 GB of memory, and features a redesigned design with a flat, matte body. The smartphone is available in onyx black, marble gray, cobalt violet, and amber yellow, with prices starting from $799. Moving ahead to the Galaxy S24 Plus, the phone features a QHD Plus display that measures 6.7 inches. The camera system is identical to that of the Galaxy S24, with a 50-megapixel wide camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. The device is available in 256 GB or 512 GB storage with 12 GB RAM and a 4,900 mAh battery. It comes in the same colors as the normal S24 and starts at $999. Now talking about the S24 Ultra, the star of the show. The Galaxy S24 Ultra offers a magnificent 6.8-inch QHD Plus dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. Notable is the all-new Vision Booster, which improves outdoor visibility with a staggering 2600 nits of peak brightness. The device stands out with a flatter display, thinner bezels, and the distinction of being the first Galaxy phone to include a titanium frame, which dramatically reduces weight. The camera setup on the S24 Ultra is extremely amazing, with a 200-megapixel main camera with AI capabilities, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto camera. A major feature is the new 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 5xx zoom, which provides optical zoom levels ranging from 2x to 10x, owing to adaptive pixel sensor technology. Storage options include 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB, all with 12 GB of RAM. The phone is available in titanium gray, titanium black, titanium violet, and titanium yellow, and starts at $1,299 in the United States. A noteworthy addition is the introduction of Galaxy AI, which brings in innovative features like Live Translate, Interpreter, Chat Assist, Note Assist, and Transcript Assist, enhancing communication capabilities. The Circle to Search feature, powered by Google, enables users to explore content effortlessly through intuitive gestures. In a commitment to sustainability, Samsung promises 7 years of security updates and 7 generations of OS upgrades for the Galaxy S24 series. This initiative aims to promote longevity and reduce the necessity for frequent device replacements. In summary, Samsung hinted at the Galaxy Ring, a health-tracking wearable infused with AI for an enhanced user experience. While specific details are limited, this unveiling affirms Samsung's active involvement in the development of wearable technology. Overall, the Galaxy Unpacked event showcased Samsung's dedication to innovation, advanced features, and sustainability in its latest smartphone lineup and upcoming wearables. So finally, after all the rumors and leaks, we now have the real-life look of the Galaxy S24 series. By the way, it seems like Samsung could not stop tech insiders from leaking everything about the phone. Thanks to the leaks, Samsung fans already knew everything about the phone. There is not much to be amazed. So do you like the design of the S24 Ultra? When are you planning to buy your next flagship phone? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.